Well, hi there. If you are watching this, you have tried every last possible thing to be able to manipulate this interactive on your own. And so I wanted to go through and I can set it up for you. After I have it set up and hit play, you can pause it, watch what happens, pause it, and then write your 3-sentence summary. So that's probably the best way to do this. So I'm looking at the first one and it's telling me the setting adjustment 1. So the observer's location is supposed to be 0 degrees north, 0 degrees east. So we'll change that to 0 degrees north and we'll change this to 0 degrees east. And take a look at what's going on here. I'm going to play, and your 3-sentence summary should compare what happens in this diagram and what you recognize with it. So here we go. So this would be a good place to pause it and explain what you saw. Notice this is north and south is here. So if you need to rewind it and watch the animation again, you can. Or you can write your 3-sentence summary about what you saw about the celestial sphere. Okay, the next one is at 40 degrees north, 70 degrees west. So we change that to 40 and we change this to 70. And we'll go ahead and we'll take a look. This is approximately where we are, by the way. So I want you to pay attention to this, which is the celestial sphere view, and then this is the person on the horizon and what they see, and compare those, and let's see what happens. And there we go. So now's a good time to pause if you need to pause and write your 2-sentence summary about what happened in those diagrams. And so pause and do that. I'm going to move on to the next one, which is also 40 degrees north and 70 degrees west. But now I'm going to change the star controls. So I'm going to choose star patterns and I'm going to select Big Dipper. And then we're going to go ahead and start the animation. All right, so now's a good time to pause it and describe what you saw happening with the Big Dipper. And we'll move on to setting adjustment 4, which is staying in the same place, but now I'm going to choose long star trails, which is this button, and I'm going to go ahead and select start animation. So hopefully you recognize what's going on there. I'm going to pause the animation. And now we're going to change this to 40 degrees south and 70 degrees east. And we're leaving the long star trails on the Big Dipper, and we're going to go ahead and start the animation. I'm going to reset the star trails here. Okay. So now we're in the south. Keep that in mind. Okay, so go ahead and describe what you see going on there. Feel free to hit pause. Hopefully this helped you out. Again, you're not being right or wrong necessarily. You're describing what you see, so just do your best with that. Let me know if you need any more help.